Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying your account supports roaming and has remaining allowance. This prevents surprise blocks. Next, note your device IMEI and any ESIM codes so you can re-register quickly if needed. Once done, put the phone into airplane mode for 5-10 seconds, then switch it off and back on. Make sure to enable mobile data and set network selection to manual so you can pick a working local operator. You now pick a specific local operator manually. This reduces roaming hops and handshake failures. Then configure the APN precisely. Carriers use case-sensitive values, so type the APN, username, password, and MCC/MNC exactly. This restores data and MMS. If you use an ESIM, install the profile and assign it as the data or voice source. Make sure it has higher priority than your home SIM. These steps fix most authentication and data routing issues. Finish by testing calls, text, and data. Check that VoLTE LTE or fallback to 3G works for voice. If you still have no signal, reset network settings and then remove and reinstall the SIM or ESIM profile. This clears cached operator data. If that fails, contact your carrier. Provide IMEI, APN values, exact error messages, and timestamps so they can trace registration attempts. This lets them perform a network-side refresh or unlock your roaming from their end.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.